Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well. Look at this sunshine. It's 20 degrees this morning. I don't know what it is right now. We're able to be out here in short sleeve shirt. Wind's blowing a little bit, but not too bad. It's that time of year we need to disinfect our trays. Now to my knowledge, we've not had no disease or anything, but I'm gonna be on the safe side. So what we're going to do, we're going to disinfect our trays and also our cups with bleach water. Some people say use 9 parts water to 1 part bleach. Some say 10 parts water to 1 part bleach. We'll be going with the 10 parts to 1 today. And I'm going to go turn my water off. Be right back. Now some people, they like to use vinegar. Whatever you prefer. We had some bleach and we're just going to do that there, and then when we get done with our trays, what we'll do, we will fix another thing of water up over here. One of them I'm going to leave without bleach, one of them with just plain water to rinse those off. But we've got a bunch of cups in there, saved her from last year. And like I said, to my knowledge, we didn't have no disease that I can remember or see, but we're not going to take no chances. Alrighty, done got my water put in here. I'm going to pour in some bleach. Okay. Now, Carolyn could find me a purple glove and a green glove. I don't know what happened to the pears, folks.
I don't know.
But as long as they work, I reckon that'll work. It's getting close to Easter. Pretty Easter colors here. Here's a little baby a-hollering. It must got away from its mama. Okay. Now all we're going to do, put this in here, and then we'll let it sit there for a few minutes and soak. Now these are those styrofoam trays that we use with that water bed that we made. We had to order a new heater this year for it there. The heater part worked fine last year. It's just the thermostat went out on it, so we had to get a new one of those. We've not filled our water bed up yet. I may just go ahead and even just put me a new piece of plastic in there. It ain't just, I mean, it's bad enough if we kill our plants or something, but there's several people that are getting plants from us, and I'd hate to disappoint them also. But we've talked about this past several years. From the time we started doing this channel, the prices of groceries, whew, my gosh, through the roof, folks, through the roof. Yesterday at the grocery store out here, the cashier, me and him was talking, and if any of you all are in Oregon or anything and watch us, leave us a comment. We've seen several things in Oregon. They are talking about outlawing gardening, chickens, small farms. If you live out there and know anything about it, leave us a comment. Let us know. But we was talking about that, and just like he said if these prices keep going up the way they are, there's going to be a lot of hungry people starving. I'm sure there's already a lot of hungry people. But no, I urge everybody, you know, try to grow a little something. I mean, I know a lot of people where they live, they can't grow huge area, but anything will help. Like those wicking tubs, if you got a back porch or a balcony, just, I don't know, folks. It's, prices are crazy. But no, back to this. We'll turn this over a couple times there. Just make sure the water's got in there good. And then what we'll do, shake off the excess here if we can. Throw it over there in that water and let it be a sitting. I'll be over with you in just a minute. Just get your next one, put it in there, and we'll do this for, we've got 7 trays. Yep, 7 trays. See, it helps me to go back and watch our old videos too, in case I forget something. And then also, I'm going to show you, where'd little Dixie go?
Down here.
Okay. Our little youngin' wandered off. Daniel, he's inside. He's feeling puny. Probably all these trees starting to bloom and everything. But at the end of this here, I'm going to show you all them one peppers, folks. Now they may die tonight, I don't know. But knock on wood, I believe that's the best peppers, the starts we've ever done. And it seems like they've took off, and just, like I say, I'm talking good about them. They'll probably all wither up and die. But I'll show you. I'm impressed. And I'll tell you the brand of them and everything. It was Cherokee peppers we got from Hoss Seeds. Now they are a hybrid, but now they are outgrowing right now the Emerald Giant and the Daniel's Hot Pepper, but they're doing good. We'll show you. Now we're not going to bore you showing you all these different steps we're doing. You all got the basic idea. When I go get them cups in a little bit, we'll show you putting them in there. But what all I'm going to do now, this has been the clean water, and to be on the safe side, I'll go ahead and take the water hose and hose them down again. Alrighty folks, I'll see you shortly. You helping me, little girl? Yeah, you helping? Alright, we got the trays sterilized now, and I went ahead and run another thing of water to make sure. Now what we're going to do, our solo cups, we're just going to put them down in there, pull them apart a little bit, just leave them in a row. And then just let them soak there for a little bit. And like I said, folks, some people prefer to use vinegar, and if that's what you want to use, that is fine. It'll work great. But we just happen to have a little bit extra bleach on hand. We'll probably start our tomato seeds. What is this? I guess will it be the week after next?
Yeah, this is the last week in March. Will
So-
be the last week.
This last week of March.
Mm-hmm.
So we may actually towards the end of next week start them then. We're trying to hit a happy medium, folks. The past few years, well, up to last year, the plants was really super tall when we started them just like a week or two early. And last year, the people come got them, and I'd actually would have preferred them been just a little bit bigger. Everybody was happy as far as I know with them, or they said they was. But no, we'll try to do it a week earlier this year. And last year we was fighting also. We wasn't able to just set the temperature in the water bed in there to what we wanted. We'd have to run it a little bit because the thermostat went out in it there. And we'd already was in the process. I didn't want to have to drain out the water and then start all over again there. So, but no, won't be real long. I need to get some more seed starting mix. We've got a little bit left, I think, but I don't know if it'll be enough to fill all those trays up. I'll have to get up there and look. And then we'll have to get some, for a few weeks after that, there's some pot soil made up or bought to transplant them over into that. Then Carolyn's fun time will be a starting the hardening off process. We're going to try it this year. We thought about trying to help her out where we put them on this bed here, actually fixing 2 hoops, maybe 3 across this and pulling the plastic over. Hopefully we'll try it out. We're going to see. Time consuming, folks. But I'll let you go. Here in a little bit we'll go in the house. I'll get them peppers out. They're still in the bathroom. We're gonna probably have to move the light a little bit higher on the ones. They are really starting to take off. But this is all I'm going to do. I'll take this and put these cups in the, after they set a little bit longer here, I'll set them in the clean water. We got these in here, and I think I see a few more in there to get. But we'll see you here in a little bit in the house. Alrighty, folks, I told you there we was going to show you the peppers again there. Like I said, I don't think you guys will. Hopefully you won't. Something may happen to them anytime. Never can tell. But these here, knock on wood, this is the best, the quickest our peppers is took off like this here. I mean, gracious. Like I said, we always started, well, the first year we didn't. After that, we starting the peppers extra early to give them time to grow, because they grow so slow. But now, Lord, these fellers here, you all doing good. Keep it up. Alrighty, folks. I'm gonna let you go. Hope y'all have a blessed week this week. Little Dixie here pacing around. She says it's time to go up here and get a roll of hay out. Hope y'all have a blessed week. If you're out, you see any good deals on food or whatever, you got the extra money, which it's hard anymore to have any extra money, get you something and put it up. That way if something happens, at least you'll have a little bit extra for later on. Folks, watch out for the idiots out there. Y'all have a blessed week. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Thank you for watching.